Artificial intelligence processing power doubles every 3.4 months, while rocket engine efficiency inches forward at 1% per year. This disparity creates a fascinating tension in technological advancement. This contrast sets the stage for a hypothetical showdown: artificial intelligence versus SpaceX's Booster 15. Imagine a contest of ingenuity. On one side, AI processes information at speeds that defy human comprehension. On the other, a monument to human engineering, a symbol of our relentless pursuit to touch the stars. This duel explores the fascinating capabilities of both AI and rocket technology. Our showdown takes place within a sophisticated simulation environment. Here, AI's raw processing power is pitted against the complex physics of rocketry. The AI must optimize the launch and landing of Booster 15 in various simulated scenarios, from ideal conditions to extreme weather. It must account for variables like wind shear, atmospheric pressure, and unexpected anomalies. Success is measured by efficiency, accuracy, and adaptability. The simulation pushes the rocket to its limits, revealing strengths and vulnerabilities. Both AI and rocket technology face unique challenges. AI struggles to move from theoretical capabilities to practical applications, often faltering with real-world complexities. Rocket technology is constrained by physics and material limitations where every gram and second matter. Progress is painstaking and costly. In our simulated showdown, these challenges are highlighted. The AI contends with unpredictability, while Booster 15 faces relentless optimization pressures. AI processes information at incredible speeds, optimizing launch trajectories, fuel consumption, and landing procedures. Booster 15, however, has the tangible advantage of physical existence. Its robust design, forged through real-world testing, provides resilience that software cannot replicate. The AI simulates thousands of scenarios, learning and adapting rapidly. Booster 15 relies on tried and tested principles of physics, honed through meticulous design and rigorous testing. The showdown is a contest between theoretical potential and practical application. In the simulated showdown, AI initially demonstrates its prowess, calculating optimal launch trajectories and minimizing fuel consumption. Booster 15, guided by AI, performs flawlessly in ideal conditions. However, as the simulation introduces unexpected variables, the AI's limitations surface. Its reliance on pre-programmed parameters struggles with real-world unpredictability. Booster 15's robust design and redundant systems absorb shocks, showcasing the value of real-world testing and engineering experience. The simulated showdown offers insights into the future of AI and rocket technology. It highlights the importance of combining AI's processing power with human engineering experience. The future lies in collaboration, not competition. Imagine AI assisting engineers in designing efficient rockets, predicting failures, and optimizing missions in real time. This synergy could unlock new possibilities in space exploration and beyond. The future of technology is woven from human ingenuity and artificial intelligence. This simulated showdown reminds us of the potential at the intersection of these domains. Now it's your turn to engage with the future. Share your thoughts on this hypothetical showdown. What technology excites you the most, and what potential do you see in human-machine collaboration? Let your voice be heard in the conversation about the future of innovation. Pause 2S. In the ever-evolving landscape of technology, one name has started to echo louder than the rest. Booster 15, pause 1S. But what exactly is Booster 15, and why is it making waves in the tech world? Pause 1S. Booster 15 is the latest innovation in computational acceleration technology designed to redefine the boundaries of speed and efficiency. Pause 1S. Equipped with an advanced neural processing unit, it can handle complex calculations at unprecedented speeds, making it a game-changer for industries ranging from artificial intelligence to data analytics. Pause 1S. What sets Booster 15 apart is not just its raw power, but its intelligent design. Pause 1S. Featuring adaptive algorithms, it learns and optimizes its performance over time, ensuring that it gets faster and more efficient with every task. Pause 1S. Imagine running simulations that once took hours in mere minutes, or processing vast amounts of data in real time without breaking a sweat. Pause 1S. To see Booster 15 in action, let's dive into some demo footage. Pause 1S. Here, we compare its performance with previous generation accelerators. Pause 1S. Notice how Booster 15 not only completes tasks faster, but also consumes significantly less energy, showcasing an impressive leap in both speed and sustainability. Pause 1S. But Booster 15 isn't just about raw power, Pause 1S. Its sleek modular design allows for easy integration into existing systems, making it a versatile tool for businesses and researchers alike. Pause 1S. Whether you're developing cutting-edge AI applications or crunching massive data sets, Booster 15 is engineered to elevate your capabilities to new heights. Pause 1S. As we stand on the brink of this new technological dawn, one thing is clear. Booster 15 is not just a tool, but a catalyst for innovation. Pause 1S. So what will you achieve with Booster 15? The future is yours to shape. Pause 2S. Join the conversation and let us know what excites you the most about this revolutionary technology. Pause 1S. Together, let's embrace the future of innovation. Pause 2S. Now that we've unveiled the groundbreaking capabilities of Booster 15, it's time for an electrifying showdown. Pause 1S. In this next segment, we'll pit Booster 15 against a range of its predecessors and competitors to see just how far the boundaries of technology can be pushed. Pause 1S. We'll be evaluating on three critical fronts: speed, efficiency, and feature set. Pause 1S. First up is speed. Pause 1S. How quickly can Booster 15 process complex computations compared to its rivals? Pause 1S. With its advanced neural processing unit, the results are bound to be fascinating. Pause 1S. Next, we'll scrutinize efficiency. Pause 1S. In a world increasingly conscious of energy consumption, how does Booster 15 fare in terms of power usage? Pause 1S. Can it deliver top-notch performance while maintaining sustainability? Pause 1S. Lastly, we delve into the feature set. Pause 1S. From adaptive algorithms to modular design, what unique functionalities does Booster 15 bring to the table that set it apart from the rest? Pause 1S. As we prepare for this epic showdown, we invite you to join us on this journey of discovery. Pause 1S. Get ready to witness a clash of titans, where only the most innovative and efficient will emerge victorious. Pause 1S. Stay tuned, as the next chapter promises to reveal the true potential of Booster 15 in ways you've never imagined. Pause 2S. The future of innovation is just around the corner. Pause 1S. Are you ready to embrace it? Pause 2S. Pause 1S. Welcome to round 1, speed test. Pause 1S. In this segment, we'll conduct a live speed test between the AI and Booster 15. Pause 1S. Set your expectations high as we push these technological marvels to their limits. Pause 1S. Our goal is to see which contender can process complex computations the fastest. Pause 1S. The stage is set. Pause 1S. Let the speed test begin. Pause 2S. As you watch the real-time results unfold, we want to hear from you. Pause 1S. Who do you think will win this round? Pause 1S. Will it be the AI with its established prowess, or the innovative Booster 15 with its advanced neural processing unit? Pause 1S. Comment below and let us know your predictions. Pause 1S. Pause 2S. The computations are running and the tension is palpable. Pause 1S. On one side we have the AI, a titan in its own right, known for its speed and accuracy. Pause 1S. On the other, Booster 15, the new kid on the block, promising unprecedented speeds with its cutting-edge technology. Pause 2S. As the numbers roll in, it's clear that this is a neck-and-neck battle. Pause 1S. The AI is performing admirably, but Booster 15 is showing remarkable potential. Pause 1S. Every millisecond counts in this high-stakes showdown. Pause 2S. And there we have it, the final results are in. Pause 1S. Booster 15 has outpaced the AI with a significant margin, showcasing its superior speed and processing capabilities. Pause 1S. This is just the beginning, and the future looks incredibly promising for Booster 15. Pause 2S. Stay tuned for the next round, where we'll evaluate efficiency and see how these contenders fare in terms of power usage. Pause 1S. The journey of discovery continues and the excitement is far from over. Pause 1S. The next chapter awaits. Pause 2S. Pause 1S. Are you ready for round 2? Pause 1S. Welcome to round 2, feature comparison. Pause 1S. In this segment, we'll delve into the key features of both the AI and Booster 15, comparing their strengths and weaknesses. Pause 1S. Our goal is to provide a comprehensive analysis based on user experiences and expert reviews. Pause 1S. Let's start with the AI. Pause 1S. Known for its reliability and accuracy, the AI has been a trusted companion in various industries. Pause 1S. It boasts an impressive ability to handle large datasets and complex algorithms with ease. Pause 1S. However, it does have its limitations, particularly in terms of adaptability and real-time processing speeds. Pause 1S. Pause 1S. Now let's turn our attention to Booster 15. Pause 1S. This newcomer has generated a lot of buzz with its advanced neural processing unit. Pause 1S. Users have praised its lightning-fast speeds and ability to learn and adapt quickly. Pause 1S. On the flip side, being new to the market means it still has some kinks to work out, and its long-term reliability is yet to be proven. Pause 1S. Pause 1S. So, what are the pros and cons? Pause 1S. The AI stands out for its proven track record and accuracy, making it a safe choice for many. Pause 1S. However, its slower processing speed and less adaptive nature can be a drawback. Pause 1S. Booster 15, on the other hand, offers unprecedented speed and adaptability, but its newness means it's still under scrutiny for long-term performance. Pause 1S. Pause 1S. We want to hear from you. Pause 1S. Based on this comparison, which technology do you think has the edge? Pause 1S. Have you had any personal experiences with either the AI or Booster 15? Pause 1S. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Pause 1S. Pause 1S. As we continue this journey of discovery, stay tuned for the next round, where we'll put these technologies to the test in real-world applications. Pause 1S. The excitement is building, and the best is yet to come. Pause 1S. The next chapter is Pause 2S. Pause 1S. Are you ready for round 3? Pause 1S. Welcome to our audience interaction segment. Pause 1S. This is where you, our viewers, get to have your say. Pause 1S. We want to know, based on the features we've just compared, which technology do you think has the edge? Pause 1S. Pause 1S. Drop a comment below and cast your vote for either the AI or Booster 15. Pause 1S. Your opinions matter and we love hearing from you. Pause 1S. Pause 1S. In fact, let's take a moment to read some of your insightful comments from our previous videos. Pause 1S. Pause 1S. Viewer 1 says, the AI has been a game changer in my data analysis projects. Its reliability is unmatched. Pause 1S. Pause 1S. On the other hand, viewer 2 comments, Booster 15's speed is phenomenal. It's like having a supercomputer at your fingertips. Pause 1S. Pause 1S. And viewer 3 adds, I'm excited to see how Booster 15 evolves. It has so much potential but needs to prove itself over time. Pause 1S. Pause 1S. These are just a few of the fantastic insights we've received. Pause 1S. Keep them coming. Pause 1S. Your feedback helps us create better content and fosters an engaging community. Pause 1S. Pause 1S. So what are you waiting for? Pause 1S. Cast your vote, share your experiences, and let's continue this exciting journey together. Pause 1S. Pause 1S. Stay tuned for the next round, where we'll be putting these technologies to the test in real-world applications. Pause 1S. The excitement is building and the best is yet to come. Pause 1S. Are you ready for round 3? Pause 1S. Let's dive in. Pause 2S. As we conclude this epic showdown between the AI and Booster 15, it's time to summarize the results and declare a winner. Throughout our journey, we've seen the AI's unparalleled reliability in data analysis, its advanced learning algorithms, and its seamless integration into various applications. On the other hand, Booster 15 dazzled us with its phenomenal speed, supercomputer-like performance, and immense potential for future growth. After carefully considering all the features and performance metrics, we have to give the edge to Booster 15. While the AI is a formidable force in the tech world, Booster 15's sheer speed and potential for evolution make it the standout in this comparison. It's like having a powerhouse in your pocket, ready to tackle any challenge with lightning-fast efficiency. Personally, I have to say I'm incredibly excited about Booster 15. Its speed and performance capabilities are game changers, and I can't wait to see how it continues to evolve and revolutionize our tech landscape. But remember, this is just one perspective. Technology is constantly advancing, and today's winner might face new challenges tomorrow. What matters most is how these innovations can enhance our lives and drive us towards a brighter future. Thank you for joining us on this thrilling adventure. Keep exploring, stay curious, and let's continue to embrace the future together. Until next time, stay tech savvy.